cuties, welcome to my channel Farwa Amazing Drawing World. Hello cuties, welcome to my channel. Today we draw a cute flower, so let's call her magical marker. Let's start coloring. Pink color. Red color. Yellow color. Bye bye. If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel.